In the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, where reggae beats pulse through the streets and the sun kisses the sea, there lived a stunning beauty queen named Mary. With her radiant smile and commanding presence, she was crowned Miss Kingston. But little did the world know, she possessed a secret power, one born from her heritage and a mysterious cosmic event. One evening, during a rare celestial alignment, Mary was gazing at the stars from the cliffs overlooking the Caribbean Sea. A shimmering, zebra-striped comet streaked across the sky, its light engulfing her in a radiant glow. When she opened her eyes, she felt a strange energy coursing through her veins, an ancient Jamaican spirit awakening within her. Suddenly, her skin shimmered with the pattern of a zebra's stripes, black and white streaks glowing softly, and her eyes sparkled with cosmic brilliance. She had become Zebra, Jamaica's newest superhero, tasked with protecting her homeland from unseen threats. Using her newfound powers, Zebra could manipulate light and shadow, creating dazzling illusions to confuse enemies. Her stripes weren't just for show, they were conduits for energy, allowing her to generate powerful electromagnetic pulses that could disable tech-based villains or disrupt malicious devices. One day, a sinister corporation attempted to release a toxic cloud over Kingston, aiming to control the city's water supply and enslave its people. As chaos erupted, Zebra leapt into action. She used her light manipulation to create blinding flashes, guiding citizens to safety. Then, she summoned a shield of shimmering stripes, blocking the toxic fumes and dispersing them with a mighty electromagnetic burst. Her courage and unique powers inspired her fellow Jamaicans, reminding everyone that true beauty and strength come from within, and from the heart of their beautiful, resilient island. With her stripes shining bright against the night sky, Zebra vowed to keep Kingston safe, protecting her homeland and its people from any threat that dared to challenge their peace. And so, in the land of reggae, rum, and radiant sunsets, the legend of Zebra, the Jamaican superhero, began to grow, a symbol of hope, beauty, and strength for generations to come.